Assalamualaikum my friends. Please subscribe my channel. It is mentioned that once a king of a country was very cruel. He used to make strange requests to his subject all the time. His people and especially one of his minister were fed up with him. The minister was a good-hearted and wise person, due to which the condition of the country were much better. One day the king had a strange wish. He ordered his minister to build me a palace that would be built from top to bottom. And if the minister cannot start this work within the 10 days, then his head should be hanged. The minister was very worried about what to do now. However, when he reached his home, he narrated the whole story to his wife. The wife suggested him that you seek help from Allah. The minister immediately performed ablution and recited two nafils and prayed to Allah. The minister fell asleep while praying. He dreams that he is going into a forest and that he finds a shining object which he takes and gives to the king, and the king was very happy. In the morning, the minister narrated the whole dream to his wife. So the wife immediately said, "Go to the forest, you will get help from there." The next day, minister packed his luggage and left for the forest. He would rest a little and then walk. It took him it took him 5 days to walk, but there was no success. So he thought that let's go back now, because there is no solution to his problem. As he started to turn back, suddenly he saw a rabbit trapped in a poor cage. The good hearted minister immediately freed the rabbit from the cage, and he was about to turn back when a voice came. "Oh, good hearted man, thank you very much." The minister turns around to see a small dwarf standing there. When asked by the minister, he told that he had been turned into a rabbit by a magician. As soon as he opened the cage, the magician influence well disappeared. The minister told him of his difficulty, so the dwarf asked him to follow him. As he walked, he brought the minister to a cave and asked him to go inside. When the minister went inside, he saw that an old man was praying inside. The minister greeted him and told his problem. The elder smiled and said, "Son, no problem." And at the same time, he gave the minister a parrot and said, "Take it with you, it will help you." The minister thanked him and went back to his city. He went to his home and narrated the whole incident to his wife. The next day, he went to the king's palace and told the king to come with me and see who I built the palace from top to bottom. The minister brought the king to an open place where the king had asked to build a new palace. There were laborers and masons and construction materials lying there. The minister released the parrot in air and said to come, "Mia Mithu, now show your work." The parrot flew up high height and started making sounds that grab the bricks. The king got angry on hearing this and asked the minister, "How can someone deliver a brick to such a high height?" Hearing this, the minister said, if the bricks cannot be delivered to such a height, how can the construction be done from top to bottom? The king was very happy to see the wisdom of the minister, and he asked for forgiveness for his wrongdoings, and he took well become a good hearted and good person.